So notice that garden. All the water that comes through rain, etc., goes through these rain gardens. And it ends up being collected somewhere else in the restaurant. So the water comes through, goes through the landscaping, and is collected later on. It's actually collected in these cisterns. These are cisterns that go into a 20,000-gallon tank that's underneath the water, underneath the ground. So it's invisible when you visit McDonald's, but all the water, even including from the roofs and the gutters, ends up underground, and then we use it to irrigate the landscaping. So just imagine how efficient. We're not wasting our water. We have a permeable parking lot. You know, you ever go to all these shopping centers and all the stores, including McDonald's, have always had that flat paved surface. This is different. It's like bricks and has grooves in between, so all the water now can go through. Underneath is a filtering system to make it clean, and it goes back into the cistern. Again, we're saving the water. And we have a green roof. Believe it or not, that is a picture of the roof that is very young vegetation that's going to end up growing. And so when it rains, it's actually feeding the vegetation on the roof. This is also designed for 25% less energy use. Look at the, you're used to the front counter there in the background. Behind the scenes, look at all those pipes, etc. We need future engineers that are going to design the energy management systems for McDonald's. This is a very top-of-the-art, sophisticated energy management system that allows our staff. You know, it's really funny, when you turn on electricity at McDonald's, you have to go through a fire-up schedule. Believe it or not, if you turn everything on at the same time at McDonald's in the morning, you're using too much electricity. You can blow everything out. So, you know, there's a lot of things we need to do to manage our electricity. McDonald's is one, and restaurants in general, are one of the most energy-intensive businesses per square foot. You wouldn't think it. You wouldn't think it. I mean, because we're not a big building. But there's a lot going on. Air conditioning, heating, airflow, cooking, cooling, lighting. So a lot of things going on. So electricity is very important for us. I think this is the coolest thing in a restaurant. The left there is on the roof, and that captures the sunlight. And on the right, these are lights that are in the restaurant. And when you're there, I was just there the other day, and people that said that we were constructing it, you wouldn't turn on the normal lights. You thought the lights were on. That's how great the natural daylighting is. We need to design more of these into the future. We talked about Walmart looking at LED lighting. This is all designed, our outside lighting is LED lighting, which is more energy efficient. Unfortunately, when we tear down and build new restaurants, too much of the tear